Hello little learners, now it's time to do a fun worksheet. Are you ready? Let's start with part 1, match the column. Okay, first word is map. Can you see map on the right side? You are right, this is the map. Next word is van. Can you see a van on the right side? Yes, this is the van. Our third word is tap. Where is tap? Yes, this is the tap. Next word is hat. Can you see the hat? Yes, this is the hat. Let's begin part 2. Identify the picture. First picture. What do you see? Yes, that's a fan. And this one? It's a rat. You got it. Look closely at this picture. Yes, a bag. Well done. What is this? You are right. It's a can. What's this? Yeah, you're right. This is a pan. Now the last one. What can you see in the picture? It's a cap. Now it's time for part 3. Fill in the missing letter. What letter is missing here? Yes, it's a T. The word is cat. Can you fill the blank? Yes, it's a B. The word is bat. Next picture. What sound goes in the middle? Yes, it's A. The word is nap. What letter is missing here? Yes, it's a T. The word is mat. What letter is missing here? Yes, it's a N. The word is man. What sound goes in the middle? It's short A sound. The letter is A. And the word is lad. In part 4, we need to identify the word that matches the picture. What's shown in the picture? A. Map, B. Cap, or C. Sad. Correct option is option C. Sad. In this picture, the person is option A. Mad, option B. Fat, or option C. Hat. You're right, the correct option is option B. Fat. What does the sign show in the picture? Is this option A. Ban, B. Fan, or C. Mat? Yes, it's a ban. From this picture, can you guess the right word? Is this option A. Bag, option B. Ban, or option C. Ran? Yes, you're amazing. It's C. Ran. Can you identify the picture? Is this option A. Tag, option B. Ban, or option C. Rag? Yes, you are right. It's a price tag. In part 5, read out loud. It's R-A-G, rag. Next word is S-A-G, sag. Next word, G-A-P, gap. Next word, L-A-P, lap. Now M-A-D, mad. Do it with me. B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dad. You have done a great job. In the next lesson, we will study the short sound E words. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any of the next